Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic BMW X1 2-litre 1.8d SE Auto sDrive. Now this vehicle has currently done 29,905 miles and it's finished in the colour Alpine White. It does come with 2 previous services. It's a very lovely looking SUV. It does sit very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. To the rear you'll find your powered tailgate, which can be opened using the key fob, making access into the boot much easier. In the boot you'll find 505 litres of space that can be increased to 1,550 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you have your lovely two-tone cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you've got your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right, controls for adjusting the infotainment system. Behind the steering wheel you also have paddle shifts for making manual gear changes, and here in the instrument cluster you've got a display where you can access different trip information. At the top of the dashboard you do have your infotainment screen. Now this is controlled using the dial and buttons here in the center console. On the system you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio through USB, Bluetooth connectivity, and there's also a CD player. On your communication page, you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have an option for connecting applications through Bluetooth and your Bluetooth audio here. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. In the My Vehicle menu, you do have your vehicle settings, system settings, as well as some information such as your vehicle status, where you can see the vehicle's service history. In the Connected Drive menu, you've got the Connected Drive store, as well as your BMW assistance and messages. This X1 does come with rear parking sensors to make reversing much easier. The vehicle also comes equipped with the front end collision warning system, keeping you and other road users safe. You can adjust the sensitivity of it here in the settings. You can also turn the system on and off. Below you have your dual zone automatic climate control. Underneath this you have your 2 cup holders and a 12-volt socket. In the center console you'll also find your automatic gear selector. Next to this you also have your driving experience control. Here you've got access to Comfort, Eco, Pro and Sport, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.